Hello and welcome. I'm Zoe Clarke, your customer training specialist at RosterElf. In this short video, I'll guide you through disconnecting your Xero account so you can keep your integrations tidy and secure. How to access your account settings. Click your avatar in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This opens your personal menu where key settings live. Select Account Info from the drop-down list. This takes you straight to the page that manages connected services. How to disconnect your Xero account. Choose I want to transfer my Xero account inside the account info page. This option is the gateway to unlinking or moving your connection. Confirm the prompt that appears. A quick yes unlinks Xero immediately and finishes the process. Thanks for watching. If you need a hand, our support team is always here to help. Happy rostering and see you next time.